Actor and Makkal Needhimayam chief Kamal Haasan is all set to enter the Rajya Sabha very soon. The elections to the 8 Rajya Sabha seats falling vacant from Tamil Nadu and Assam will be held on July 19th. The DMK, in a statement this morning, said that it has nominated Kamal Haasan as per the poll pact entered in 2024. The DMK has nominated 4 members to the Rajya Sabha as of now. Kamal Haasan, Advocate P. Wilson, Poet Salma, and one of its district secretaries from Salem, S.R. Sivalingam, has been nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the DMK. A statement was released this morning. Kamal Haasan actually entered into a poll pact with the DMK in the run-up to the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Kamal, who launched his Makkal Needhimayam in 2018 against the DMK and was vociferous against the DMK, joined the DMK Congress alliance in 2024. This was all after his Vikram became a super hit in the box office. Vikram was produced and released by Red Giant Movies, one of the production houses owned by Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin. Vikram was a super hit in the box office, and Kamal drew very close to the DMK High Command after the release of the movie. Kamal Haasan did not choose to contest the Lok Sabha elections, even though his party Makkal Needhimayam had entered into a poll pact with the DMK Congress alliance in 2024. The DMK offered him either a Lok Sabha seat to contest, or it said that he can choose the Rajya Sabha berth, which will be offered to him a year later. So, Kamal Haasan chose the Rajya Sabha berth. Haasan said that it was his own personal interests that drove him to choose the Rajya Sabha berth to get into the national politics rather than his personal political gains. Incidentally, in 2018, Kamal Haasan launched his party against the DMK. He campaigned against the DMK in 2019 Lok Sabha elections. There was one popular advertisement or a viral video that went very popular across Tamil Nadu. Kamal Haasan was seen breaking a TV set with a torchlight. Torchlight is actually Makkal Needhimayam's symbol. He was seen talking lengthy dialogues against the DMK in the viral ad that was very popular then. But later, Kamal Haasan has chosen to be part of the DMK Congress alliance and get into the Rajya Sabha now in a DMK ticket. Apparently, in one of the party meetings held in January this year, Kamal Haasan told his cadres that their voice will be heard in the parliament this year and also in the assembly next year. So it is expected that Kamal's party will be accommodated and it will contest in the legislative assembly elections in the DMK Congress combined in the 2026 assembly elections also. Kamal Haasan, who is an atheist and an intellectual and who has been vociferous against BJP's policies in the centre, will be a voice of the DMK and also Tamil Nadu in the Rajya Sabha in the coming years. So it is looked at as an added advantage for the DMK to strengthen its voice in the Rajya Sabha against the BJP.